Let's go to our LakeBrowser. We're going to zoom into here. Let's zoom into a certain area. So here we have, we can pick what we want to look at. We have it either by the lake or we can do it by pixel level. I'm going to pick up chlorophyll pixel level data. And then we can do it by different months here. So this is May. We already have some blooms starting in a few lakes, but not too many. June, we have a few more blooms. July, some cloudy imagery, so maybe not quite as many imagery, but still more blooms going on. August, a lot more blooms. In September, more blooms, and then even holding out in through October. So you got a kind of a bird's eye view. You have, you know what's going on. There's a big problem. There's a lot of these lakes are eutrophic and could use some help. So how does that work? It's very expensive depending on what you're doing. We see that best management practices do work in the urban areas, so maybe that's something to think about. Here we have a full report. We can click on any lake and get a full report. Here we have improving water clarity. So this is from 2007 or 1975 through 2022. We can look at the seasonal for the water clarity, tabular data for all of the different time frames, and then also for the monthly data once we get into 2017. We have daily data as well. So we have clarity, chlorophyll, and CDOM, and we have that for every clear occurrence. And so you can see there is quite a bit of data available for that. And then we can rank this. So we can start looking at lakes in different delineations, and we can give it a ranking, how it ranks. So this statewide, this is clearer than 74% of the lakes. Seasonal chlorophyll, tabular data, and then we got some land cover data there.